Is it better to hire a cabinet shop or a cabinet broker? Well, the great thing is, guys, here at HingeWorks, we're both. In my career, I've done both. I've worked for local cabinet shops, and I've also brokered cabinets from factories across the United States, and for that matter, across the world. So what are some of the benefits to one or the other? Well, HingeWorks, we offer both for a couple reasons. Number one, every once in a while, one option may be better than the other. So builders, when you're looking at a project, talk to us, talk to our team, ask what's going to be better for your project, and we'll consider that as well as a part of the process. So for instance, for the Black Desert Resort right now, we're bringing in unfinished cut parts. We're hardwaring those, finishing those, assembling those, and taking them to the job site. So we take care of the finishing in-house. Whereas for some townhome projects, we've got some RTA cabinets that come to us. They're manufactured overseas. We assemble those here. We take them out to the job site. They're built well, and we install them for our builders. By the way, guys, if you want to hear more, of course, you can subscribe and keep track of how things are going here with HingeWorks. And then, another factor too. Let's say that you've got a project where you've got a large quantity of higher quality. This is the way we started the Black Desert project at the very beginning, but we use a factory that builds the cabinets for us to spec, to design, to wood species, to door style, sizes and everything else. It comes to us ready to install. And we check them for damage. We make sure everything's working right. We label them, take them to the job site and install them for the project. But, look, we're here to provide the very best service for you in the cabinet space. As possible. So we hope that our team might be a good consideration for you if you're looking for at least an alternate option in the cabinet space. Thanks so much for watching.